Subtracting algebraic terms. Simplify 4t plus 8u minus 8t minus 2u. When we are subtracting algebra, we won't be able to come out with an exact answer because we're using letters to represent numbers and we don't know the exact value of those. So very often when we're subtracting and using algebra, we actually use the word simplify in order to describe what to do. What we need to be doing is to be looking for our like terms. What things are like each other that maybe could be combined together? We have a 4t, we have a minus 8t, we also have a plus u and a minus 2u. That means that those terms can be combined together. Let's put them in brackets to make it a bit easier to see. 4t minus 8t is one of the combinations we can put together, and a plus 8u minus 2u. Working out each bracket, 4t minus 8t, if we use our number line, we've got 4 minus 8, start at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is a minus 4t plus 8u minus 2u, which leaves us with 6u. Our final simplification is minus 4t plus 6u. We can't go any further with that because we don't know the value of t and u.